volume, but I wanted to show you how defined these curls are. You see, this is definitely the best twist out I've ever done with any product, period. No product has done this much curls in my hair. And you see how long my hair got? Oh, let me show you the, if you've been following make sure you're following my Instagram and my story, because a lot of times I don't post everything going on in my story, in my feed, in my post. So it's always good to check my story out, and sometimes I save them in my highlights, so check it out. But this is homemade. I made that and I shared it. I don't know if you guys have followed me for a while, you know that I tried to create a flaxseed gel about 1.5 years ago when I big chopped. So it's been almost 1.5 years of trying to perfect something that will work for me. Trying to get the products inside the hair from the roots to the ends. For those of you that don't know how to do a twist down, from the roots to the end. And then I comb it through. See that? Then I comb it through. And then I wanted to show you how my curls are activating with this. You see that? Like, I can even do a wash and go. You see this curls activating using the cream? Okay, it's time for me to do. It was just activating my curls. See? You see how it's activating the curls? Yeah. And I haven't even combed it yet. See that? See that? Hey guys, so I've been taking down my twist. I'm gonna fluff in a bit for volume, but I wanted to show you how defined these curls are. You see, this is definitely the best twist out I've ever done with any product, period. No product has done this much curls in my hair. And you see how long my hair got? So the shrinkage, you cannot really tell how long my hair is, but my hair has really grown in the past 2 months, even more. So I'm going to take out all the twist and I am going to fluff. You see how defined this is. Okay, I think I went through everything. All right. started fluffing, I changed them out because I didn't want to lose my my curl pattern and still retain volume, because when you use this one, I notice it takes a lot of my curl pattern from the root. So because I want to keep the curl pattern from the root, I changed to this Afro pick. So I am still picking and fluffing, but do you see the volume in the curls? Like, this is, out of all the product that I've ever used, this is, and I've used other products, but this is the only product. It's amazing how, you know, it took me 18 months to perfect this, but it's been coming a long way. And you can make, I'm going to be doing a video so you can make yours too. And if you're someone that doesn't like to make yours, I might take a time out and make you one. So this is the result so far. Let me show you. Alright, let me see if I can. I'm going to use the same flaxseed gel. It actually works well on my edges as well. So I'm going to use a little bit on my edges. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. I just want to get the products in. And this is all natural, so you can't go wrong. It's helping grow your edges. So I'm going to put a little bit of water on it. And I'm going to show you how this baby sticks my edges. It might not hold unless I tie it down with a scarf, but it's still doing it. And then this spot too. Okay. See my edges? It slicks it down, and it also moisturizes my hair. Do you see how moisturized my hair looks? It's so awesome.